Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Shilpa Harish. I'm practicing at Satpam Fertility and IVF Center. I'm practicing infertility for the past 15 years. We at Satvam, we provide quality care at affordable costing. So generally in our regular practice, we see a lot of patients coming to us, doctor, everything is fine, still I'm not able to conceive. Why is it so? I went to 2, 3 doctors, everyone said scan is fine, blood test is fine, still I'm not able to conceive. This is the questions many a times patients come with. This is a class of patients where they may contribute to about 15 to 30% of the cases of infertile group, which is called as unexplained infertility. Here the routine tests will come normal, at least one tube being patent, semen test being normal, and the ovulation 3 tests which are confirmed, and a luteal progesterone confirms ovulation. These are the category of patients where the routine basic tests are normal, still they are unable to conceive. Per month we expect a fecundity rate or a pregnancy rate of about 1 to 3% for all the couples. Our treatment, where we are aiming to improve the pregnancy rates for patients of unexplained infertility, where this should go beyond that 1 to 3%, where we achieve pregnancy rates little higher than that numbers which I am quoting. So unexplained infertility is defined as the couple who are in regular relation, not using any kind of contraception, still not being able to conceive at the end of 1 year. The definition is not the same when the person or a woman is more than 35 years. So what we do here, we aim at increasing the pregnancy rates by increasing the number of gametes, or quality of gametes, or proximity of the gametes by various fertility treatments. So initially the treatment will be simple for about 3 to 4 months, where we give some tablets to increase the number of eggs, that is called ovulation induction, and that will be combined with something called intrauterine insemination, where the husband or the male partner's semen is collected and it is prepared so that it contains quality good number of sperms, and that will be placed inside the womb of a woman. So where we are expecting an increased pregnancy rates of about 15 to 20% in each cycle. That is the preliminary treatment. If that doesn't work, the next step will be to go towards IVF. IVF results have increased by bounds over 20 years, where the other infertility treatments have not shown so much of great improved results, but when it comes to IVF and ICSI treatment, the pregnancy rates have improved significantly. So this will be the next level of treatment that will be offered for patients with unexplained infertility, where simple methods, as I suggested, ovulation induction and intrauterine inseminations, have failed. So this should be the line of treatment or recommendation for all the patients if they're not able to conceive at the end of 1 year, before they go into a stage where their egg reserve in the body comes down or seminal parameters starts worsening. So all patients should take a call before things starts worsening.